Start na.
Ocean, traveling in some motion, paddling with my question, early morning with the sun. Don't you really miss it? I'm trying to be a good son, myself 100% inside. I wanna reach that. It's somewhere inside. I wish I reached that. Skyline, skyline. I wanna reach that skyline. Skyline. I wish I reached that skyline. Skyline. I'm gonna reach that skyline. Skyline. You're strong in the city, till you struggle to be true. You dream of fantasy, boys and all around the city. I will take another round, or another round too. Pick the cup from the ground, I feel it inside. I wanna reach that, it's somewhere inside. I wish I reached that. Reach that sky. Sky. I'm gonna reach that sky. Sky. I wish I reached that sky. Sky.
Thank you guys for tagging. So, mic check. Maayos ba or malinaw ba yung boses? Masyado bang malakas yung music? Or okay lang? Please let me know before we move forward. Good evening, Oliver. Hello, Limitless Investor or Aaron Cruz. Yun, thank you very much sa lahat na nag-share. Thank you, Incognite You Trader. So, ayun, medyo na-late lang ako konti kasi galing ako Coin Runners. So, nag-live stream din ako kanina sa Alabang and then have to drive home to Cavite 30 to 40 minutes dahil sa traffic. Pero yeah, at least andito na rin. Cherry, Meg. Incognito Trader, di ko pa master yung Elite Wave to do a course. Siguro basic lang, pero sobrang complicated kasi. So, pag basic lang, yeah. So, ayun, paano ba ito sabihin? Hindi ko pa master Elite Wave, I still make a lot of mistakes. So, siguro pag medyo mas confident na. Pero kung gusto mo talaga matuto ng Elite Wave, you can join Trader Circle. 5 kaming Elite Wave trader doon. Ako, si Crypto Hood, si I Love Food, si Mervin, pati si Dan Jr. As in, lahat kami Elite Wave. So, if you wanna learn Elite Wave, the secret there is to surround yourself with traders who post charts about Elite Wave para ma-compare yung counts mo sa counts ng mga ibang traders and then learn from there. Thank you, Kiten Velarde, for tagging. Hello, Vel Cabalza. Okay, yeah, we will start in a minute or two. Mag-ano lang ako, mag-hydrate lang ako. So, ayun, ayos na yung webcam ko, pero since pagod ako ngayon, wala akong gana ipakita mukha ko. So gusto ko laid back lang. No, yung tipong pwede akong mangulangot habang gumagawa ako ng chart. Ay, Jai Lizano. Meron na Jai, nasa listahan na yung request mo. Yeah. So, PSE, huh? Hi, good evening, Aldrin. Hello, John Kevin Maula. Usual customer natin yan. Okay, so let's start. Game. Okay, so yeah, start natin with trend lines. So ayun, gumagamit ako ng trend lines to plot my support and resistances. So as we can see, by connecting this wick to this wick, we have a support area, right? A trend line support. So for PSE, wala masyadong makita sa weekly, right? So let's go to daily. So, okay, so for PSE, this is what I see, right? If we break above 8215 here, above this, then bullish yan. But if we break below this, then we would do a retrace. Yeah, so parang so yun, pag nabasag natin to, we would fall to at least here, 7436, to as low as here. Okay, as low as here because this area is a good support zone and this area is, yeah, this whole area here is also support. So, ito yung dalawang support zone natin. If we fall below this support, we can find support anywhere inside this. But, looking at it now, mukhang bullish siya kasi this looks like possible siya na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, then after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we correct, find support here, then go up to break this. Pero, medyo matagal pa to. No? So, yeah, it looks like a bear flag, but nadali na rin ako gantong itsurang bear flag dati. Sa Bitcoin, gumawa siya ng ganto. No, akala ko bear flag, tapos bigla siya nag-breakout dito. Pag breakout niya, nag-pump lang talaga siya, right? So, anyway, that's my outlook for PSEI. Then, we'll start with FEN. Good evening, Joel, Eloisa, Christian, Tan. Limitless investor, it's Fibonacci extension. Okay, Fibonacci extension. I think Fibonacci retracement, and then I think Fibonacci extension. Right. So for FEN, I forecasted na we will correct to this green zone, but we didn't. Right? So, from time to time, nagkakamali tayo, and that's okay. No? Kasi, I give you guys what I think will most likely happen, and from time to time, it fails. Right? So, okay, looking at FEN, let's start at the weekly. So, weekly. Okay, so if we draw a trend line, hi Raymond Yabut from Abu Dhabi. Okay, so here. So guys, sa mga di nakakalam, whenever I draw a trend line, I always go to log chart, right? Kasi if you are on a regular chart, medyo ganun siya. So, when I'm looking at a bigger picture or long time frame, I do this. So, sige, try natin ng regular. Try natin mag-drawing ng trend line. Yeah, either way, it's a breakout. Then let's look at the indicators. So, yeah, nag-breakout siya, pero let's see. So, ayun, ito si FEN. Alam ko, binigyan ko na rin kayo dati ng recommendation to buy FEN kasi nakita ko yung divergence niya eh. Yeah, so hindi pala. Mawala yung lumang chart ko. But either way, for FEN, looking at it on the daily, we have a bearish divergence here. We have a higher high, but a lower high on the RSI. The RSI. So, because of the bearish divergence, I think we will retrace, right? And yeah, so support zone is anywhere from 382 to 618, right? But let's use some. Okay, this looks like a good support zone, diba? Kasi support here, resistance here, and also support here. And also here, this is also a support zone. But I'm pretty sure mababasag natin yan and we would find support somewhere between here, right? So ngayon, this looks like a small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Then after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, usually we correct and then try to move up. No. So if this is the top, no, look for an entry when we break above 1.67 pesos. Kasi breaking above 1.67 pesos, that would mean na tapos na yung correction natin. Right? And we're ready for another leg up. But if we don't break above this, then obviously, it's either we break below 0.85 or we break above 1.66. Dalawa lang naman yan eh. So, keep an eye on this price, 1.67. If we break above it, take the risk and buy it. Okay, so after Fan, Fa. So si Fa, on the daily, right, hindi pa naman siya overbought. Oversold. But if we look at the 4-hour chart, yeah, overbought na tayo. Oversold. Right? And the MACD is slowly grounding and wants to go up. Right? So, ito yung nakikita ko for okay. So, kahapon, diniscuss ko sa Trader Circle VIP membership or Trader Circle mentorship program, yung mga sumali. Diniscuss na rin namin si Fa, kaya andito tong mga green circles. But the point here is, the point of the square is, nakita nyo tong big square? Ito yung mini version niya. Right? Yan yung mini version nito. So, ayun, we broke out, right? Today, we broke out and did an amazing 12%. No, so, ngayon, what I will do is drawing tayo ng trend line resistance, and if we break above this this black trend line resistance, then that's the ultimate confirmation that we are out of the corrective pattern and we are gonna go up. Hi Glenn, sabi ko kanina pagod na ako, so tinatamad na ako set up yung camera. Next time na lang. Galing kasi ako sa work sa Coin Runner, so nag-livestream na ako ng crypto for an hour kanina. So ngayon, ayun, siningit ko na rin yung PSE. CCI, Ron Metz, it's CCI. Parang din siyang RSI. I use that to look for earlier divergences. So let's go to daily. It's also 4 hours. So yan sa 4 hours, may kita natin meron tayong divergence dito sa CCI. Right? While having a double bottom here. No, so I am bullish, but if we break below 0.85, I'm gonna cut my losses. No, and if I'm gonna set a target for this, I'm not sure if we will create new highs. No, if we break above 1.77, then we're gonna create new highs. But I'm gonna give you guys a conservative target profit for FA. No, you have the 382 for a 16% profit, the point 0.5, and the 618 for a 38% profit. So I think most likely we will hit 382, most likely we will hit 38 this 0.5 Fibonacci, and 618 medyo risky na, right? Kasi kung gusto niyo sure shot, take your profit here on the 0.5 or the 1.31. So I'm just gonna zoom out and tingnan ko kung may mabibilang ako. So mukhang napakalaking impulse wave na ito. So ayun. So baybayan nyo na lang yung mga chart ko sa Trader Circle for updates on FA. Right? So yeah, for FA, keep an eye on this trend line resistance. Breaking above it would mean we are bullish. Vita. So itong sa Vita on the weekly, yeah, mukhang bullish naman. On the daily, it also looks bullish, and then if you zoom in, yeah, we're creating higher highs and higher lows, and look at this green candle. No, so daily, wala akong masyadong makita. So this is a resistance zone, right? Support, support, resistance here, resistance again here. So it looks like we have a breakout. So kung gusto nyo laruin tong si Vita, my suggestion is you cut loss if it goes below 1.67 pesos. No, kasi nag-breakout na tayo eh. And our target profit would be, conservatively speaking, you can take your profit around here. No, and that's a 6.5%. Right? Marami pang mas magandang stocks na pwede mong pasukan. Si Vita, ang bagal kasi gumagapang lang siya. So yeah, that's for Vita. After Vita, PXP. Yep. So yun lang guys. Magyayabang lang ng konti. nakita niyo itong chart na ginawa ko last 2018, December 22. Right? I drew this trend line support. Sabi ko, we're going down. And voila. Diba? Diba? So ngayon, we are finding support in this area. No? Kasi this area acted as support in the past. So we are acting as support now. So let's look at the weekly. Yeah. So weekly, we passed through the 618. No? Fibonacci level. That's usually where maraming nakaabang. Right? So ngayon, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I'm gonna do an Elliott wave count, medyo nakakalito, right? But this looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and this looks like 5. And then we have a corrective pattern of A, B, and then C. Yun nakikita ko, but A, B, C. A, B, C. Here, A, B, C. So, steep yung bagsak niya. Steep. Right. So, on the weekly, may kita natin oversold na tayo. So, let us look at the daily if we can see some bullishness. And sadly, on the daily, it's still free falling and wala pang konting signs of hope. Let's look at 4 hours. Even on the 4 hours, still not much. Okay, wala pa. Grabe talaga yung buhusan dito. Pero yeah, kung naka-tune in kayo last December 22 of 2018, then you would have escaped this dump. How much did we fall? So dito siya nag-start. Damn, 52%. Okay, so wala akong recommendation for PXP. It's still falling. Look for other stocks. So after PXP, we have PX. So ayun, for PX, I initially thought we would find support in the 382 Fibonacci level, right? Kasi this area acted as resistance, so it did act as support for a while, right? But we went down it. So ngayon, are we gonna find support at the 0.5 or are we gonna find support here on the 618? Right, so yeah, I think, let's look at 4 hours. So 4 hours, it looks let's look at daily. So daily kasi it looks like it wants to cross up, right? Bullish, but yeah, maghintay muna kayo ng give it a few more days or week. No, let the candles come out and let's see, no, if we see some hope, right? Kasi ganito lang naman yan eh. This whole area here, right? Support here, resistance here. So pwede tayo bumagsak up to here. So for PX, give it more time. Huwag niyo i-rush. After PX, we have AP. Yep, so you see, we drew a trend line resistance. We attempted to break out but was rejected heavily, right? But right now, there's a possible inverse head and shoulder forming, right? So my resistance is here. If we break above this, 39.34, then yan yung confirmation natin that we are gonna go up, right? And then if we go up, there's a possible resistance here, right? So if we break above this, then potential profit of only 8.9%. Uh, pangit. So hanap kayo ng ibang stocks. Right? Yeah. AP, MBT. Hi, Jose Lingat. Thank you. So, sideways fuckery, right? Support is here. This is a good support. And may kita natin, we did respect the previous resistance here and it acted as support. No, so now, medyo magulo tong wave structure niya. Hindi ko mapasukan ng edit wave. Yeah, okay. So anyway, let's look at the daily. Hi Jose, singit natin si M. White. Wala pa nagre-request, so last siya. So, basic for MBT, right? This is our resistance. Breaking above this would make us attempt our next resistance here. So if we break above this, then we would most likely find resistance here. No, so that's still a 14% profit if done right. So ngayon, ABC. Yep. Yeah. So ngayon, medyo mahirap siyang kapahin eh. Ay, Fernandez jet ski. So yun guys, it's still going sideways, but yun nga, our key price is if we break above 84.8, then that's it. But so it's creating a channel, no? So abang tayo dito sa green zone, right? And then if we see divergences, bullishness, then buy. But until then, I would wait for it to break above this before I would be interested to buy some Metro Bank. After MBT, BBI. So ayun, recently kasi, may problema si BBI sa mobile banking niya, kaya bumuhos. Hindi, joke lang. Okay, so going back, yeah, well, obviously, we went past this support, and our next support is here, right? But, yeah, mukha siyang bullish, guys. Yep, bukas, maybe I will buy some BPI. Okay, it looks bullish to me. Only thing support, and then let's go. And then okay, so maybe here muna, right? Kasi if you're gonna look at the past, this whole area here is resistance. Maging resistance to kasi in the past, support, resistance again here. Right, so, oh crap. So after BPI, pizza. Sorry. So yun, we are facing resistance here. Right? Previous resistance, support area. Joel Antolin, kahit gaano pa kalaki yung funds mo na ipasok mo sa trading, kung hindi ka marunong mag-trade, mauubos mo siya lahat. So, start with 20k or 50k, no? Practice. Kasi hindi porket pumasok ka sa PSE, kikita ka na. Kahit pumasok ka pa dyan na may 100,000,000, kung hindi ka marunong mag-trade, mauubos mo siya in less than a year or two. Right? So, again, going back, okay, so parang meron tayong channel na nagaganap. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ngayon, on the 4-hour, mukhang bullish pa naman siya. No, but I do think we will retrace and then, yeah, retrace. Right? Kasi overbought. Overbought na yung RSI natin. Let's look at 1 hour. 1 hour. Yeah, so 1 hour medyo, ayun no, nag-bearish cross na yung MACD. So, siguro next support zone is here. Yeah. So yun, guys, you have choice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Buy when we break above 13.47 pesos or mag-abang ka dito sa support area. Right. Yeah. So yung nakita ko yung pizza is ganyan. After pizza, double dragon. Yeah. So yan guys, I drew a trend line, no, connecting this top to this top. Now we broke above it and then bumalik din tayo sa loob. So fuck, right? But yeah, pumasok ko around here when it broke out. And I'm planning to cut my losses if we go below 22. If we go below 22.4, I'm gonna cut my loss. Right. Ayun, if we do break above this, ganito na lang. If we break above 24, then I would consider buying in again. But if we go below 22.39, I'm gonna cut my losses and accept my 5.75%. No, so it's only 5%, right? It's only 5% kasi hindi ako nag-all in. Pero kung nag-all in ka dyan, edi talagang masakit yung 5%. Right? Ginamit ko lang dito, I think, is around 12% ng capital ko. So 12%, if I lose 5%, I'm actually losing only 0.5%. Tama ba? Yeah. 0.5% lang of my overall capital. So DD 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So baka ito yung 5, ito yung 3, ito yung 4. And then we find support anywhere inside here. No? So yeah, I'm gonna monitor DD tomorrow and see if may chance pa siya. But yeah. Joel, alam ko para ma-maximize mo yung fees is at least 8,000 pesos worth per buy or per sell. And yeah, pag mag-start ka, Joel, recommend ko you start with AAA equities instead of Call Financial or BDO or BPI. Kasi sa AAA equities, meron tayong automatic cut loss. So, magkakaroon ka ng buhay, hindi mo kailangang bantayan yung trades mo. Pwede mo i-set na if you go below 10 pesos, automatic sell everything. So, 'di ba? Ayun, jump guys. Yan, tag mo si Cliff Howard. No, kasi I'm pretty sure hindi yan marunong mag-chart. Puro boka lang yan. Right? What else? Oh, by the way, may mention siyang may student daw siya na sa student niya pa lang, walang-wala. Yeah, who's that student? Sabi mo, kontakin niya ako. Okay, so going back to DD. Aba. So, ABA. Okay, ABA. ABA, medyo bullish ako. Okay, kasi meron tayong bullish divergence on what? On The 4 hours. Let's look at daily. Yeah. Lista ko lang bibili on ABA bukas. By ABA. So yeah, on the daily, 4 hours, it's looking bullish. Let's look at 1 hour. So yun guys, FYI, lahat ng chart ko, lahat ng trade ko, I don't use fundamentals. If you know how to use fundamentals, go ahead. It's actually good, but yeah, warning lang guys. Risky itong ginagawa ko kasi I don't use fundamentals. Anyway, 4 hour. Yun, so we are approaching support zone and I think we have found support. Right? Kasi 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, mukha tong ABC na tapos. Corrective ABC here. And at the same time, if we use Fibonacci, right? If we use Fibonacci, we are actually near the 618 Fibonacci golden ratio zone. No, so yeah, I'm definitely buying some ABA tomorrow. Yep, we went below it. I was expecting na magsusupport tayo dito sa red line, but no, we didn't. Hmm. Well, since may gap dito, we can expect it. Yeah, we'll lagyan natin ng Fibonacci. Yep, 0.5. Right, so hi Xpons. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and ban you, block you, right? Kasi nakikinabang ka lang naman sa mga viewers ko eh. I mean, seriously bro, get a fucking life, loser. Okay, basahin ko muna. Mayaman na. Yeah, mayaman na ako. Sorry. Kahit before pa ako mag-trade, mayaman na ako. X-bonds. Yeah, so, ayun, nire-report ko lang. What else? Yeah. Harassment. Thanks for letting us know other steps. Ayun. There. I find. Nanap ko na yung block. Bye, bro. Enjoy your life. John, meron na bang Investa Cup? Hindi ba kakatapos lang? Yan, okay. Going back, okay, yeah. Aba. Pip, pip. You're welcome, Joseph David. Hi, REM. So, ayun, na-discuss ko na si Pip kagabi and sinabi ko sa mga VIP members ng Trader Circle, look for another stock, right? Kasi if you go to weekly, we already had a bullish divergence, right? And wala nangyari sa bullish divergence natin. We just went sideways. And gano'ng katagal tayo nag-sideways? 136 days. That's what? 4 months? No? So, sayang yung opportunity cost. And kung titignan nyo guys, right, we dropped here, consolidated. Kung mapapansin nyo, we also dropped here, consolidated, and then boom, bagsak ulit. No? So, yeah, buy PIP. Don't buy PIP. Iwan nyo na yan. Yeah. Tugs. Hi, Jayun. Kamusta? Sa bahay, asama ba yung Jayun? Yeah, John. Hindi ako nakasali. Hindi ko alam na may tournament pala. Pero anyway, going back to Tugs. See, Tugs is also going sideways. Right? It's also going sideways. Initially bullish ako dito, but ay, Manny from Dubai. Yeah, sige, singin natin si STI. Okay, so for Tugs, okay, so kung si Tugs kamukha niya si BTC eh. So papakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano niya naging hawig si BTC. For a while lang guys. Okay, so wait, Expons, panoorin mo ah. Panoorin mo tong gagawin ko. Kasi feel ko si Expons, inggit yan. No, si Expons kasi nagbebenta siya ng ano ton? Nagbebenta siya daw siya ng cybersecurity chuchu na yan. Tapos meron siyang coin. Right? Nagbebenta siya ng coin na Expons. So feel ko walang bumibili ng shitcoin niya. So naiinis siya sa akin dahil nagbebenta ako ng course and I'm selling at 7,500. So parang bro, inggit ka ba na walang bumibili sa'yo? Hindi nagbo-boom yung business mo? So yeah, Expons, I'm just gonna show you. 22 na po yung bumili ng course ko. 22 times 7K. You do the math. Kamusta naman yung negosyo mo? No? Ay, nako. Yeah, kailangan ko ata siya gawin sa mobile. So, asan na yun? Hold up, hold up. Ayun, okay. So, sa phone, mas madali. Hindi ko kasi mahanap yung kung nasaan yung ban button dito sa desktop. I wanna do it live, but mukhang hindi kita maban ng live dito sa desktop ko. But I'm gonna ban you anyway on my phone. No? Tingnan natin kung gagana. Yun, okay. So, yeah. Oh, yan. Ban. Bye, sir. Update. Lalagay ko mamaya sa Facebook page yung Xpons has been banned. Yun. Ban na. Wala na siya. Enjoy your life, loser. Hi Ryan, Jade, Edma. Tapos na yung PSEI sa simula siya. So, guys, ito yung sinasabi kong sideways. No, medyo bobo ata. Ito ata yung nakikita niya eh. Pero, yeah, this is sideways. No? Sa mga hindi alam, this is what you call sideways price action choo-choo. No? So, ngayon, for Tugs, wala ko masyadong makita eh kasi we're going sideways, but since nasa oversold tayo, no, hindi pa tayo maabot ng overbought, and at the same time, you can draw trend line support din sa RSI. Right? Same as here. Right? Drawing tayong trend line support. No? And then, saan siya nag-breakdown? Dito siya nag-breakdown. No? So, tumas pa siya konti, pero eventually, we fell down. Right? Kasi na-reject tayo dito. We went down. We got rejected by the trend line support, turned resistance, and we went down. So, ayun, fun fact lang, guys. You can draw fun fact. Pwede kayo mag-drawing ng trend line sa RSI. What else? Shit, parang na-miss ko si Xpons. Gusto ko i-unban. Pero yeah, kayo muna yung focus natin, guys. Kayong mga willing to learn. So for Tugs, yeah, hindi ko alam eh. RSI, may possible pa siyang tumaas. But at the same time, we're going sideways. No? So basically, if I don't know what to do, I draw trend line support. If we break down there, then, right? But if we break above, okay, so if we break, so if we break above this, then I would consider buying Tugs. Pero for the meantime, we are still going in a sideways. And if you draw trend line here, ayun, right? This trend line, nakita na breakout siya dito, pero we're still moving sideways. Right? And going back to BTC, medyo hawig niya kasi si Tugs, honestly. And papakita ko sa inyo kung paano niya hawig. So, nakikita niyo itong price action ni... Okay, here. A, B, C. Then, after A, B, C, makikita natin we did another A, B, C. Right? So, ngayon, si Tugs, this for me looks like an ABC, right? And supposedly, we should be doing an ABC like this. Pero we are just going sideways. No? So, nakikita nyo ba yung resemblance? Hold up. So, ayun, makikita nyo, galing rin si Tugs sa downtrend, and then it did this pattern. So, si BTC, galing rin siya sa downtrend bago niya ginawa tong pattern. No? So, fun fact. After Tugs, MPI, So for MPI, yeah, I would still consider this sideways. Kasi wala tayong trend eh. Right? Yeah, this whole area is sideways. Well, not so sideways, pero alam niyo yun, nagpipingpong tayo between this zone eh. Right? So wala tayong uptrend, wala rin tayong downtrend. So ngayon, what I do is I plotted a trend line resistance kasi mukhang good support naman to eh. It acted support here, support here, support here. Right? So wait for it to break above this before you enter a trade kasi baka mag-sideways lang tayo. Sayang opportunity cost. MPI, IRC. Alexa Lee. Tapos na yung PXP. So, i-upload ko naman to sa YouTube. And pwede mo siya panoorin ulit doon. So, for IRC, no? Yeah. I will cut my loss at 1.6 pesos. Tapos na ba tayo kay IRC? Yeah. So, if we go below 1.6 pesos, oh no, wait. It's actually 1.56 pesos. If we go below 1.56 pesos, then I would consider cutting my losses. Right? Or maybe not. Kasi I'm actually expecting it to go down more. So, sorry, don't cut your losses yet. Right? Kasi for me, if we go into the 1 hour time frame, nakikita ko pa lang is 1, 2, 3, 4, then maybe 5 down here. Right? So usually, pagdating sa number 5, doon nangyayari yung reversal. No? So I'm not sure. This looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this, itong number 3 natin, this could be 3 or this could be 5. Right? But either way, for me, long term, I am bullish for IRC. I think, wait, tingnan natin. So yeah, maybe kahit hindi pa tayo umabot ng May, I think IRC will pump. No, two ways lang yan. It's either it pumps or it goes sideways. But looking at it now, 'di ba? Gumawa tayo ng Fibonacci. And may kita natin we are at the 618 golden ratio. No? So, yeah, tanggalin mo na tong cut below this. Medyo misleading. Right? But this whole area is support. Well, actually, even down to here, this is support. Right? Actually, here. This whole area is support. Good support. No? Kasi resistance here, support here. So, yeah. Long-term bullish for IRC. After IRC, we have CHP. So for CHP, so si CHP guys, I was able to sell here, no, near the top. Well, syempre hindi naman natin eksakto mabibenta sa top, pero I was able to sell somewhere between here, right? And the reason I was able to sell that is because I know how to count Elliott wave, right? So sa mga doubters ng Elliott wave, nakabenta ako sa taas. Right? So, gawin natin. Ay, shit. Sorry. So, gawin natin siyang red. So, ayun. Basic, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And usually, ay, shit. And usually, after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we do a correction. Right? So, we measure from here to top. And yan, nalagpasan natin si 618. And I do believe hindi pa tapos ang downtrend ni CHP. Hindi pa. Right, so let's go to 4 hours. A good support zone for me is maybe dito sa 786. Right? Tanggalin natin to, tanggalin natin to. And then our first target profit is here. Right? Or if we do it this way, if we go down up to here, that's 618 Fibonacci ratio. But yeah, if we are to enter here, that's a 30% profit. Right? So, hindi ko pa siya papasukan. Right? Kasi I don't see anything promising about CHP. Nothing. Right? So, CHP. After CHP, we have Gary. Tingnan natin kung we have Gary. Wait, X-Porns. Tangina, X-Porns. Nice one, Mats Borhal. Tawa doon, X-Porns. And so, hindi ko na mabasa yung live chat nyo. Ngayon ko lang siya ulit nabasa. Hindi ko alam bakit. Right. Yan, okay. So, okay, nababasa ko na ulit yung... Pero... Yan, okay. So... Yun, yes. So, you see, kahit di ako mag-FA, di ba? Nagmamatch talaga eh. Kasi, ayaw na magsalita. Once again, guys, I just want to make it clear, I have nothing against FA traders, no? Maganda yung mga FA, yung mga flight attendant. Sorry, hindi, joke. So, yeah. After CHP, si Jerry Mobile. Ooh. Ooh. So, okay, Jerry, impressive. Impressive. This is resistance zone. Kunin natin yung Fibonacci from top to down. And we are approaching 0.5. We can go to as high as 618, but yeah, based on support and resistance, pwede na dito. Let's look at mga tong ABC. A, B, C. ABC, 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 ABC. So 1 week, medyo may nakikita na tayong weakness, but hindi pa naman sobra. Then let's look at the daily. Daily. So honestly, hindi ko masabi kung tapos na ba yung uptrend ni Jerry, but I definitely won't be entering now. No. Kasi this is a resistance zone and we are near resistance. If we went in and it goes higher, konti na lang yung itataas niya. Right? But of course, anything can happen. It can go up like this. But for me, we're taking risks. We're speaking in probabilities, and there's an upside of 5%. But then again, once it reached this price area, it can do something like CHP na biglang bagsak, right? So yeah, marami pa naman ibang stocks. But for now, yeah, it looks risky for me. For me, it looks risky. And yeah. So ayun, kung titignan nyo si MACD, no, may mukhang may possible head and shoulders din dito. Right? So higher high on the price action, but MACD histogram is actually telling us na there's a lower high, right? Also on the CCI. So yeah, definitely risky, no? Ako kasi when I enter a stock, I usually enter when it dips or when it bottoms out. And hindi pa siya mukhang nagdi-dip, hindi pa rin siyang bottom out. It's actually, alam mo yun, impulsive. So, no. Pero yeah, let's go natin siya kung saan tayo pwede bumili for Jerry. So if this is wave 1, wave 5, let's say here, then a good support then a good support zone for me is actually here on the 0.5. No, we can actually anywhere in here. No, but well, let's do this. Ganito na lang. Somewhere between 0.5 and 0.618. Okay, question ni Diego Pantaleon. What's the different interpretation of drawing Fibonacci from up to down and down to up? So, the very basic of Fibonacci is you draw, no, from the start of an uptrend, and if you think the uptrend is ending, no, or if the uptrend has ended, then you start at the bottom and then you plot it kung nasaan yung top, and then that's when you look for the 0.5 Fibonacci to buy, right? And then sa ganito naman, so yung top down naman is if you're doing a bounce play. So dito, this is the top and you think this is the temporary bottom. So what you would do is you plot from top to down and you target 0.5 to 618 for your target profit. So nung bumagsak to, sabi ko, it's gonna bounce soon, right? Mukhang nag-find na siya ng support dito. No, nung bumagsak siya, sabi ko, support. This will go up. But what I do is I draw Fibonacci from this top to this low. And then I would enter, syempre, around here. And then I would target 382, no, to take my profit, or 0.5 or 618, right? So the most probable Fibonacci level is the 382. The next is the 0.5 and the next is the 618. So ayun, just by doing this, it will help you, no, set your target or your resistance. So, hope you understand. Medyo mahirap i-explain eh. And here also, another one. This is another top, this is another bottom. Feel ko nag-double bottom siya dito. So, if I go long here, well, will I take my profit? So, what I do is, again, from top to down, and then you target 0.3, 0.5, 0.618. And as you can see, we have reached the 618 Fibonacci level. right? SSI, wala pa ba tayong SSI? Yan, okay, SSI. So, SSI, okay, after green, ay, Jerry pala to, sorry. So, after Jerry, we have Meg. No, medyo marami rin pa pala. So, medyo bibilisan na natin. Sino si Paul Adrian? But, wait, ba't ang dami yung ano? Okay, so for Meg, yeah, I think, yeah, dinrawing ko rin to eh. Ginawa ko ata to sa isang live stream natin. So, ayun guys. No. Broke out of this trendline resistance, found support here. Boom. Boom. Right? But anyway, so ayun, currently Meg is facing resistance here. Right? Past resistance will act as resistance. So guys, if we break above this and mag-close tayo ng candle, okay, hindi wick if tumaas tayo tapos nag-iwan tayong wick, hindi siya counted. It has to be a candle. So let's look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart, yeah, okay, kasi this past resistance, no? So ayun guys, we are medyo risky kasi if you're gonna look at it, well, not really. Yeah, baka may chance tayo to break up. So, ayun lang. Like I said, hindi ako papasok pag approaching resistance na. Papasok ako pag nasa support zone and magbibenta ako sa resistance. So, if we break above this red, no, 5.94 and mag-close tayo ng candle sa taas ng 5.94 and not a wick, then I would consider going in. But, yeah, Meg doesn't look good right now. Yeah. Meg. So, maybe. By the way, guys, regarding nga pala dun sa trading course ko, number one, wala akong pinipilit. Hindi ko naman siya pinipilit na bilhin nyo. And number two, I think it's fairly priced. No? And at the same time, guys, nagbigay ako ng nagbigay ako ng free trading course sa 5 tao who I think deserves it without asking for any payment. Right? So, maliit na kita lang to for me. Right? And at the same time, namibigay ako ng trading course without asking for money sa mga tao who I think deserves it. Right? And at the same time, sa lahat ng bumili ng trading course ko, if you think it's not worth 7.5, let me know. I'll return your money. Okay? Mark Minano, nasa risk trader page ko, naka-pin post siya. No? So, naka-pin post siya, nandoon yung link, no? See more, tapos click mo lang yung link, then mapupunta ka sa Google form na nandoon lahat ng details na gusto mo malaman sa trading course. And by the way, mas may mga tao pa nagbebenta ng 20k na trading course na same lang naman yung content na binibenta ko for 7k. Right? So I think it's fairly priced. So after Meg Green. Okay, si Green. Yeah, nag-take profit na kasi ako kay Green. And daily, what's the look on daily? So ayun guys, kay green, even before here pa lang, sabi ko, I'm gonna target 382 and 618. So we have reached our first target profit, which is 382. So I took some profit. Kasi, okay, let's go to lower time frame. So 4 hours, sorry. So sa MACD, nakikita ko medyo nagde-decline na yung histogram, right? So I'm sensing weakness. And also at the 1 hour, may kita nating meron na tayong bearish divergence on the 1 hour on the RSI, right? At the same time, same with MACD. No? So I just took my profit. Tumaas pa siya ng konti. I think today, tumaas siya ng how many percent? Tumaas siya ng 2%, then bumagsak din siya. Diba? So medyo sakto lang yung target, yung pag-take ko ng profit. But maybe tomorrow, tumaas pa siya, guys. Diba? But either way, no regrets. No regrets. Joke. Siyempre, pag tumaas siya ng ganyan, may inggit ako. Pero, pero I think it's unlikely. I think we will go sideways for a while, correct? Before we attempt to go up again. No? So for green, yeah, for me, malakas resistance zone is here. Right? Yeah, here. Here and here. No? So there. And by the way, guys, just to let you know, nag-aaral pa rin ako ng mga trading strategies ng ibang trader. I'm actually, kumuha actually ng mentor, right? Kasi my strategy is Elliott Wave, I'm a reversal trader, and naghanap ako ng momentum trader. Okay? Kasi medyo kuha ko na yung strategy na ginagamit ko. So I'm looking for new strategies to improve. No? So, share ko lang na learning never really stop. Right? So even at what do you call this? So long story short, kumukuha pa rin, mag-enroll ako sa isang mentorship program. No? And the strategy is momentum. Definitely not Z-Freaks. Definitely not Z-Freaks. Okay. So, green, after green, ISM. So for ISM, ilang beses ko na ito ginawa ng chart. There. So for ISM on the daily, right? Mark me now, it's local. Local. Kasi yung mga actually, marami na pinag-aralan ng mga traders international, pero it's all online. Diba? Online siya. John, mahal kasi mentorship nila 300,000 eh. Yung mentorship na kunin ko, less than 50K lang. Diba? Yung kunin ko mentorship is less than 50K, but I'm pretty sure the content and the lesson will be worth it more than comparing it to 300K. No? So, recently, naglabas si Z-Freaks ng seminar, it's 40K. So, 300K pala yung personal mentorship. Hindi ko alam kung nagbaba na sila, pero alam ko yung seminar nila is at 40K. So, if you think my trading course at 7K is expensive, wala ka pang alam. At the same time, guys, yung course ko, you can watch it over and over again. No? Okay, so going back to ISM, I did a chart on this on a 4-hour time frame, and I did this at February 5, 3 days after my birthday. And since nakita ko tong sideways movement, I expected it to go down to the 618, and guys, we have reached the 618, no? And let's see if we will hold that support. yeah, based on RSI, mukhang carry naman. Yeah. So, yeah, guys, we did go down, no? Drop 31%. And kung sumusubaybay kayo sa live charting ko, then sana nag-cut loss kayo kasi you would have saved yourself 31%. And how long did it take to reach the 618? So, sayang wala dito si Xpons kasi yeah, I can predict the market from time to time, not all the time. No, so it took us what? Nearly 2 months to drop to the 618. No, so hi Makabian, no, never part of Z-Freaks. Never. Pero syempre kilala ko sila kasi naging trader din ako eh. And I think every trader knows Z-Freaks. So again guys, ISM doesn't look so good because in the past, this area held a support. But now, it's acting as resistance. So yeah, we can definitely go down, no, up to the 786 Fibonacci region. Yeah, here. Now we can fall to as low as this one before we go up, right? Kasi if you're gonna look at here, this whole area here is support, right? Support, 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 then resistance. So ngayon, kung nag-resist to, tapos babagsak tayo, the next support na nakikita ko is here, no? Kasi this was past resistance, it will act as support now, right? So let's do this. Ganun talaga, Mark Minano. Ako nga pumasok ako ng Bitcoin at all-time high. 20,000 fucking US dollar. Tapos bumagsak siya ngayon, naging 3,000, naging 5,000. So yeah, gamitin mo yung nakabili ka sa taas, gamitin mo siya as an inspiration to learn how to trade. Right? Kasi yun yung ginawa ko eh. Yes, every trader knows ZFT. But every trader will know Trader Circle in a year or two maybe. No? So sa lahat na nanonood, we have something big for Trader Circle. And lahat ng trading group sa Philippines, I'm telling you now, better watch out because we're coming in and we're coming in hot. Okay? Yeah, self-proclaimed. Yeah, so abangan nyo na lang yung announcement on April 14, this Sunday. Maybe I will announce it this April 14 Sunday or Monday, April 15. Okay? Never ako nagpa-mentor, lahat self-study. Siguro yung magiging mentor ko, well, hindi pa ako sure kung kukunin ko siyang mentor, pero kinausap ko na siya. And I'm really interested to learn more. Kasi master niya na yung momentum eh. Ako kasi medyo more of reversal trader ako, swing trader, and elliott wave. So, I want to learn more. I want to expand my knowledge para pwede ko rin i-share sa mga future members natin sa Trader Circle. Yes, mark me now. Tambay ka lang doon, send your charts. Yeah, this April 14, magbabago ang Trader Circle. Magbabago ang buong trading community sa buong Philippines kasi Trader Circle. Anyway, yeah, so that's my take for ISM. Oh. Makabien, saan ka nanonood sa YouTube about crypto? Sa Coin Runners ba? Kasi kung sa Coin Runners ako yon. Pero kung hindi siya sa Coin Runners, hindi ako yon. After ISM, MY. So yun guys, 1 hour and 30 minutes na tayo. 1 hour and 30 minutes. So sa mga nandyan, palakpakan kasi guys, late na and nandyan pa rin kayo. MY, come on, come on. Yes, Makabian, ako yun. PLC... last name PLC medyo pagod na rin ako. Okay, so for M-wide, resistance bumagsak, ayun no. So, yeah, M-wide, this, yeah, cut loss na kayo. Kasi honestly, when you see this drop, yeah. Okay, so ito yung resistance natin here. Right, oh sorry. Dito nag-start yung resistance. Resistance, support, resistance, right? And if you get Fibonacci from top to bottom, yeah, sa 786 tayo nag-find ng resistance. So let's make this red. So ngayon kay MY, I would consider going in if tingnan mo natin yung daily. Yeah. So guys, kung gusto nyo pumasok kay M-wide, siguro wait for the RSI to reach the oversold area. No, bago kayo pumasok. Kasi, yeah, support, our next support, somewhere here. No? But until then, yeah, off limits ako kay M-wide. Let's hope it finds support here. Yeah, mark me now. I'll explain it again next time. Na-explain ko na kanina kung paano yung top to bottom to top, then top to bottom. So, i-upload ko tong live stream sa YouTube after this. And panoorin mo na lang ulit. Medyo pagod na ako guys. Galing pa kasi ako sa Alabang, sa Coin Runners, nag-live stream. So, siningit ko na lang talaga kayo kasi alam ko matagal na ako hindi nag-live stream. So, ayun, bumabawi lang. Pero magiging mas madalas na yung live stream natin, guys. No, siguro at least once a week. If we can do 2, why not? Pero yeah, I'll try to make it weekly. No, kasi I also have another commitment for the Trader Circle VIP. So yung mga nag-join ng VIP mentorship sa Trader Circle, sila meron silang twice a week na live stream. And iba pa yung live stream nila sa live stream nyo. Yung sa kanila as in talagang in detail talaga. No, so yeah, just to let you know. What else? After M-wide, we have EU, East-West. So si East-West, yep, I gave you the top before it dropped, diba? Sayang wala dito si Expons kasi sarap ipamukha nito sa kanya So ayun, 'di ba? Nakita niyo itong drawing ko. Sabi ko, we will go down, find support here. We did go down, but we didn't find support where I want it to be. Pero may kita nyo, it's pretty close, 'di ba? And ngayon, we're consolidating sideways, right? So let's go to the lower time frame. Mark me now. Paano ba? Sige, wait. Send ko sa'yo ngayon dito yung link for a while. Kailan ko lang pumunta sa page ko kasi, yeah, di ko siya memorize. Wait. Meron pala dito. Mark me now. Ito. Yan, nag-reply na ako. Di ko alam kung nakuha mo, pero... But yeah, mark me now, nag-reply na ako. Nakita mo ba? Ayun, ayun, ayun. Nilagay ko na siya. So, yeah, let me know kung nakita mo. So, okay. So, ngayon sa 4 hours, yun. Ay, yeah. Not valid. But, yeah. Di rin eh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ABC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so ganito na lang, drawing ng trend line. If you break this, then I would take a risk to buy. And then, syempre, kung nasan yung recent support, let's say nag-breakout siya dito, then my cut loss would be at 11.95. But if we went further down, tas nag-breakout, kung dito tayo nag-support, then dyan yung cut loss. No? So we are still going sideways, and let's hope we find support here, then go up. So, sa mga nagtatanong sa akin kung paano mag-screen ng mga stocks, kayo yung stock screeners ko. Dahil nagre-request kayo, nakikita ko yung mga stocks na hindi ko alam. And kung may magandang opportunity, doon ko siya nilagay sa watchlist ko. After EU, we have STI College. Yeah, going sideways. We went up, pero not so much. So, ayan guys, we have a head and shoulder here na hindi nag-materialize. No? So, tulad na sinasabi ko sa lahat ng mga naging students ko, trading is about probabilities. When you see head and shoulders, no, it doesn't guarantee na it will dump. But it has a higher probability na it will dump. No? So, from time to time, wala talagang strategy sa trading na 100%. Right? So, here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this. So, ayun, we are approaching 618. And, yeah. Well, ito yung resistance. If we break above this, then it's go time. Right? But, I think we find support somewhere around here. And then, boom. So, wait. Di ko pa pala na-check yung mga lower time frame. So, ayun. At least on, yeah. Hindi pa siya valid. But, let's look at 1 hour. Hindi masyado maganda yung liquidity ni ISM. Ay, sorry. STI. Yeah, hindi ko siya masyado magawa ng maayos na analysis. But, yeah, abang na lang tayo. Tingnan natin kung mag-find tayo ng support dito. No, for STI. Matumal yung market. SSI. Ano ba analysis ko dito for SSI? Well, wait, it's about. Hindi nag-save eh. Pero ayun, tulad ng sabi ko, no, in our past, sabi ko we'll find support here. And we did find support, we went up. And then nag-breakout din tayo sa trend line, long-term trend line resistance. So ngayon, what I'm doing is, naglagay ako ng resistance here. Right? If we break above this, then nice. Kasi ang pwede mangyari dyan is, we go down, right? And then go up. No? Kasi kung makikita mo, let's look at 4 hours. Day trader? Day trader ba yun? Pero anyway, this looks like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5 somewhere here. Right? So if we correct, hopefully we find support. Hopefully you find support at the 0.5 kasi if you're gonna look at the past, right, support zone. No, this area acted as support, so it means when we correct, hopefully we find support here, and then we go up and break the resistance, right? Hopefully we do. So after SSI, PLC. Yun, so PLC, well, no. Well, wait. Yeah, so sa PLC, I gave you the top. No, I gave you the top. And may kita nyo, I gave you here 5 and sabi ko babagsak tayo. And we did. Right? So, sa mga haters dyan, this is live. No, kita nyo naman. I can tell when it's the top. Not all the time, but most of the time. So here, we found support here. And if we're gonna get Fibonacci, yeah, we are at the 0.5. Right, so medyo adjust natin siya pababa. We can actually go lower pa. Right, so let's go to daily. See? Yeah. So that's for PLC. Yes, Mark Minano, mahal kay Boomy, pero ang alam ko rate ni Boomy is 30,000, one-on-one mentorship yon. Yung kila Zfrix, that's 40,000 tapos class kayo. So, you decide, one-on-one, 30K, or may classmate ka, 40K. Diba? So again, after guys, meron pa ba kayong last request? Kasi I think this is the last one. So ayun guys, before I go, thank you sa lahat na nag-tune in and thank you sa lahat ng sumuporta. No, nagulat ako na yeah, yung kay Expons and everything. Sorry kung nadamay pa sa drama pero fuck, ang lala, diba? So yeah, watch out lang kayo for Trader Circle. No, kasi we are expanding. Well, not expanding, pero yeah, hindi ko lang paano sabihin pero ang masasabi ko lang is maraming mangyayari sa Trader Circle, no? And para sa inyo din yun, guys. And it's not gonna be free. Well, may part na may free content, then may part na may paid and exclusive content. So, syempre, nandun pa rin ako, I will give you charts, I will answer your questions. Pero the thing is, guys, 2,500 na kasi members ng Trader Circle. So, we will prioritize those who will, alam niyo yun, join the VIP membership. Right? Kasi syempre, hindi lang naman ako yung magiging chartist nyo doon. 5 kami magiging teachers or chartists nyo doon. Right? So, ayun, watch out. Maybe I'll announce it this Sunday, April 14 or Monday. Okay, so again, thank you very much, guys. Good night. This is Risk Trader. Do not forget to cut your losses and take your profit. Good night, guys.